In front of me is TECNO Pova 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit Users and Accounts. Following that, use this gear icon next to Google. Click on Google Password Manager and add any password by hitting Add Password over here. Then input all of those informations. At the top, you can type in any website or tap on Select App to tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!